The most beautiful star you see in the night sky is actually a deadly trap. Imagine stepping into a bathtub filled with battery acid instead of water. At the same time, the air temperature is 470 degrees, so hot that lead would melt in a second. But that's not all. On this planet, the air is trying to crush you. Welcome to the planet Venus.
Novus Arcane.
Today, we're going to step onto a surface that crushes military robots like soda cans, and then escape into its sky to see if there really are space microbes hiding there. Venus is called Earth's twin because it is similar in size and mass to ours. But this sister is the most evil twin in history. Unlike Earth, Venus is wrapped in a thick, suffocating blanket of toxic clouds. These clouds are so dense that if you were on the surface of Venus, the sun would be just a faint speck in a perpetually yellow, dreary sky. But let's see, what exactly would happen to us if we landed there? Venus's first greeting is rain, but not water. Venus's clouds are made of concentrated sulfuric acid. It rains acid there that can dissolve skin and bone in minutes.
But here's the weird thing. The surface of Venus is so hot, hotter than a bakery oven, that raindrops evaporate in the air before they reach the ground, then rise back up. You don't get wet, but the acid vapor cooks you.
Let's say you have acid-proof and heat-proof clothing. Now we come to the main killer, air pressure. How much, you ask? Imagine going to the beach on Earth and traveling 1 kilometer underwater in the ocean. The pressure that the water there exerts on your body is exactly the same as the pressure that the air of Venus exerts on you. At this pressure, the human body would be crushed in a fraction of a second. The atmosphere is so thick that the air is no longer like a gas, it's like soup. If you walk there, you feel like you're walking through thick sap or water. Even the tough Russian probes built like tanks only lasted 2 hours before they were crushed under the terrible pressure. Everything on Venus feels slow and heavy. Venus is very lazy. It takes 243 days to rotate once. But the clouds, they're crazy. Venus's clouds move at 400 kilometers per hour, circling the entire planet in just 4 days. This means you're standing on a surface that's calm, but above, you're a perpetual high-speed storm. With all these descriptions, you must be saying that life here is impossible. But wait. On the surface, yes, it's impossible, but what about at an altitude of 50 kilometers? Somewhere above that crushing pressure and melting heat, the temperature and pressure are like spring on Earth. Recently, scientists found in these clouds a gas called phosphine, which on Earth is only produced by microbes. This means that microbial life exists in the clouds of this hellish planet. Of course, the challenges are not few. These clouds are extremely acidic and dry. However, some scientists have proposed the theory that acid-resistant microbes can neutralize the acidic environment around them by producing ammonia and continue to live. To find out for sure, NASA is sending 2 new missions to Venus called Da Vinci
and Veritas. The probes will study the planet's atmosphere and surface in unprecedented detail, perhaps finally solving this great mystery. Could this hellish planet be home to some kind of space-borne bacteria? It's one of NASA's biggest mysteries today. Venus teaches us that beauty can be deceptive. A planet that shines like a diamond from afar, up close, it's a hot, acidic hydraulic press. If you had a magical spacesuit that kept you alive, would you want to walk on the surface of Venus and see that yellow sky? Or would you rather go to Mars? Team Venus or Team Mars in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until the next trip into deep space, take care of yourself.